Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be featuring a tag duel that me and my wife did last night. Every night we spend time together. So we spend time together and whatnot, right? So, and she wanted to do tag duels all the time. So I told her that that's my favorite tag. I think 4K beatstick turn one isn't bad. Yeah, that's 15,600 attack points, which is pretty huge. I knew he would keep protecting it, so I could keep gaining 1,000. I could gain 1,000 off of it. Figured, why not? Top deck exploder. And that's it. So 4,400 was our weakest monster. Our strongest monsters were 2,200, 22,000. So that's a thing that happened. So it's deckless. I don't have a side because it's tag duels. So three grand Ju- three grand module Asia, two Necroface, three Illuminals, two Banner of Radiance. That's it for the monsters. You only play 10 because of card demise. Just basically draw to your deck. 3 Soul Absorption, 1 Ghost Sarcophagus is 3 Left Arm Offering, 1 Pot of Duality, 3 Pot of Duality, 3 Pot of Desires, 3 Card of Demise, 3 Ancient Leaf because it is tag duels. First off, you have this to gain life, so Ancient Leaf ain't that bad. Secondly, even if you don't, even other than that, you are playing tag duels with which is 16,000 life points, which means Ancient Leaf is really good in general in tag duels, but especially in a deck like this, where you can easily afford the 2,000. 3 Lure of Darkness, 3 Into the Void, 1 Upstar Goblin. That is a shit ton of deck thing slash draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. 23 deck thing cards. Crazy. You can imagine the top like deck is draw and search and whatnot. It's consistent. 1 Macrocosmo, 3 Infinite Impermanence. The extra deck really doesn't matter too much, but I try playing the cards. 1 Levy of the Sea Dragon, 1 Exoton Knight, 1 Nightmare Mermaid, 1 Nightmare Phoenix, 1 Nightmare Serapis, 1 Nightmare Unicorn, 1 Nightmare Griffin, 1 Clara, 1 of this guy, I'm not even going to pronounce his name, 1 Underclock, 1 Trigate, 1 Warlord, 1 Bull Sword, 1 Skull Dread, and 1 Topological Bomber Dragon. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I'm sorry I couldn't make one longer, but I have stuff to do today. So, I want to give a big shout out to all my subscribers. I thank y'all so much for subscribing to my channel. If y'all aren't subscribed, please hit like and comment and subscribe. Go follow me on social media. I'm going to give a big shout out to my wife. Thank you so much for everything. But last night, she gave me my birthday gift early, and it was an amazing gift. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. I'll catch you guys later. This is Jinzo right now. Bye.